Okay, doing a little testing here with a treadmill motor. It's a 3.2 horsepower, 23 amp, DC 100 volt, and I have it hooked on my engine lathe, as you can see. I have it hooked up to a bridge rectifier and a grid tied inverter, and currently putting back into the grid. I don't know if you can see this or not. We'll try. We got 59 watts to 60 going back, so I'm a little disappointed in that. I was hoping that would do a little better. So, like I said, we're running 550 RPM. And we're only getting 60 watts out. I'm not sure how much miles per hour wind it takes to generate 550 RPM, but I would think you gotta be clipping pretty good. So I'm looking for some feedback here from anybody. If am I realistic here? And is this going to work okay, or is this simply not a good choice? I can get a few of these motors, so I don't know if it's worth my trouble to make a wind generator out of or not. So please give me some feedback, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.